so here we have our latest project. We got a 71 Chevy fleet side 3/4 ton. It's in pretty decent shape. Just got a 350 4-bolt main. It's gonna be a full resto job. We're gonna build a custom work deck for it. The box is pretty much toast. Tailgate's toast. Floorboards are gone. We already pulled this box off and had a look at the frame. It's in decent shape. Needs a little bit of love, but it's in good shape. Cab's decent. Interior's not bad. Alright, so we got the box off and we got the cab off. Dangling all nice and safe like. Gotta love the crane. Here's the chassis all exposed. Frame off officially initiated. Today with the Chevy, we are stripping the frame down. We're going to be doing some frame repairs here. We're going to basically fix some cancer in the frame, which you can see right here. So we're going to peel all the frame apart, the suspension, the cross members. And we'll grind off all these rivets. And we're going to take out, there's two pieces, another piece of frame inside the frame. We're going to take them apart and clean all the rust out of it, do any repairs that we need to do, and then bolt it all back together. So, and then after we get all that done, everything else stripped off the frame, we'll send it for sandblast and then we can start assembly. But that's all we need to repair on the frame. So I managed to get an engine for the Chevy. What we got here is a 350 LT1 block out of a hot rod. This guy had a Model T hot rod that he built this engine for. It's got 8,000 kilometers on it, which basically just broken in. It's about 4 1/4 horse, I'm told. Valve covers, plug holders, manifold cover, air cleaner, billet electric water pump, billet aluminum alternator, and compressor pump. And I also have these ceramic coated stainless headers. I don't know if they're going to fit, but I figure one way or the other I can make them fit, or at least use them and modify them. It also came with the complete engine harness, including the ECM. So I got a pretty decent deal on it. Buddy was upgrading his hot rod to an LS. So I also have these pieces of exhaust that came with it for the collectors, and I could probably use some of it. O2 sensors. So yeah, we're gonna match that up with the Turbo 350 that I had built. That's over there. It's built for about 500 horsepower, stage 2 shift kit, so it should work. So as you can see with the Chevy, we got the cab corner and the rocker panels cut off. We're gonna have to do a little bit of sheet metal work on the floor pan here in the back corner. But we got basically all new steel for all the rod on this thing. So we got new floor pans here. These two pieces. They're a little smaller than I thought when I ordered them, but I guess I can make them work. And then I have new floor gussets. There's 4 of those. And then we also have, in the magic yellow box, brand new cab mounts. I'm hoping they give me enough bushings for the box as well, because I would like to use the red bushings to mount my custom deck on it. I think there's enough bushings in there, but I guess we'll find out. We'll see, that'll fit right on here. Like a glove. And then we got new rocker panels. And that'll fit right here. Not quite like a glove, but it'll fit. This is a Turbo 350 that I've had rebuilt with a stage 2 shift kit to handle about 500 horsepower. This engine's, I'm told, is around 4 1/4, so it should be perfect.